Students, today we will be discussing trigonometric identities. So first of all, we will study basic concepts of trigonometry. See what is trigonometry? Trigonometry. Measurement of angles of triangle. Measurement of angles of triangle. Suppose we are taking a right angle triangle. This is angle theta. The side opposite to angle will be perpendicular. This will be base and longest side will be hypotenuse. Suppose we are taking A, B, C. There are basic 6 trigonometric ratios which we are going to study in 10th class. Also in higher classes also there are only 6 trigonometric ratios. So what is first trigonometric ratio is sinusoidal function, that is sin theta. Sin theta will be equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. We are using P for perpendicular, B for base, H for hypotenuse. Okay. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base over hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. It can also be written as sin theta over cos theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta. It is cosine function. Cosec theta is hypotenuse over perpendicular. Sec theta is hypotenuse over base. Cot theta is base over perpendicular. Okay. Now we will be deriving trigonometric identities now. First trigonometric identity we will be deriving now. See, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Let it be first equation. What we are going to do now? Dividing the whole equation by hypotenuse square. So it will be hypotenuse by hypotenuse square, perpendicular by hypotenuse square, base square by hypotenuse square. This will be 1. This will be P by H whole square, B by H to the whole square. B by H whole square, B by H whole square. 1 will be equal to B by H is what? Sin theta. So sin theta the whole square, sin theta whole square, cos theta whole square. It can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is first trigonometric identity. This is first trigonometric identity. Now similarly we can derive other identities also. Again we will be using this basic equation of right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We can write it like this. Now dividing the whole equation by p square. Hypotenuse square by p square, base square by p square, p square by p square. This is hypotenuse by perpendicular whole square. This is base by perpendicular whole square. This is 1. What will be this? Cosec square theta, cot square theta is equal to 1. This is second trigonometric identity. Now third. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square equal to base square. dividing the whole equation by b square. This will be hypotenuse square by b square, perpendicular square by b square equal to b square by b square. This is hypotenuse by b whole square, p by b whole square 1. What is this? Hypotenuse by base. This is third trigonometric identity. This is third trigonometric identity. Actually, trigonometric identities are used, or trigonometric ratios are used in parametric forms of conic section also. Suppose you are taking a circle, its parametric form will be cos theta sin theta. You have to take like this: cos theta, a cos theta, a sin theta.